All right. I'm ready to go. All clear in there?
All clear.
Okay, cool. Hope you're not freezing up your bits. Everybody, welcome back. I'm ready to get working on this again. We have a lot to do. This is going to be probably my last video for a little while because I would really like to get back to the S1 that you see back over here in the background. I want to drive it. There are still a few things, of course, that need to be done. I'm still determining on whether or not I want to remove the body. I'm pretty sure I'm heading that direction. I've already started the prep work for it. So that's currently the plan. But before we move on to that, there are a few things that I still want to look at here. I want to drop the oil. We know this was an engine fire, so that might have created a lot of heat inside the engine, and when it cooled down, it could have condensation inside, which creates water, which could be in there. That might explain why I wasn't able to turn the crank pulley at all. And yes, you guys, I know better. And so several of you commented in the last video that it wasn't a good idea to turn this crank pulley, and that would be absolutely 100% right. You should not be turning the crank when the intake and exhaust valves are not connected with a belt, because you could have some interference problem going on and bending your valve guides in here. Not a good situation. So it's kind of good that I wasn't able to turn this, but also kind of bad at the same time. So the plan is today to take those off and possibly take the head off. We'll see how far we get. And take a peek and see exactly what happened. And then we'll go from there. After that, I'm going to take a little bit of a break and get back over to the S1 because I want to drive the thing. This, however, is going to require selling my house in order to get it back online, which I probably would get in a lot of trouble if I did that. So this will wait for a little bit while I save up a little bit of funding. But I am by no means letting this go. I want to see it live again. I want to see it rise from the ashes. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I will creatively find a way to bring this thing back to life. But in the meantime, let's get going. Let's get working on this, okay? See if this 11/16 will take it off.
Step 1, draining the ancient black gold. This stuff is probably older than I am. Yeah, I think. Who knows what secrets lie in this prehistoric sledge.
No. Too long. See if I can shock it loose. Moment of truth. Are we going to get any water? Not much oil. I did not see any water. But also, there's not very much oil in here.
So the game plan. We'll get the rest of this oil drained, and then we'll yank out that smog equipment, pop off the cam covers, remove the cams, and the intake with those carburetors, the exhaust manifold, and finally the head. That sounds easy, right? Famous last words.
It's already loose. I can't believe how loose that is. Unexpected. Unexpected. Huh. Can't get to that one. It's got burnt bits. Wait. Get that off. This is like super loose. Get that off. Ow, missed. Oh. How is it? Aha! A bit rusty. It is 13. Oh, please don't be hard. Hey, that was good. Hey! I can't get over how easy these are to do so far. Shoot, why did I say that? Is this gonna take forever? Huh, I can already do it by hand. One down, 100 more to go. Next. There it goes. Ooh, last of that one. It's free. I knew this one was going to be a little harder. Just knew it. Aha. Well, that was easy. So far, none of these are seized. It's amazing. I'm going to be able to do this by hand here pretty soon. How can that be? These are not very tight. Thankfully. That's off. It's off. Okay, that's off. That's off. Next. Got it. Yep, there it goes. It broke free. I can get it with my hand out. Yep. Come on. It's pretty stubborn. Yep, got it. Oh, did I miss that one? How did I miss that one? You guys saw it. How come you didn't tell me? I missed it. I missed this one. Of course, it's in a bad place. Everything is in the way. Try down here, because this one's loose. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's another one. That's one. Good. How many more? 3 more. We got this. Maybe. From here? Yes. Down below. There. Whoa, hey, that one I already gave up quickly. Maybe it wasn't in there tight. I can already do it with my fingers. Yep, already out. Cool. 2 more.
There we go. All right. Time to take the rest of this off. I think this is the whole valve cover assembly, I think. Gosh, that looks nice in there. Oh, a little rust right there. What? Oh, it's got a little washer and did not lose. I can see it. Like that. Where'd it go? Here it is. Piece of garbage. Smog. Piece of garbage. I think I'll throw that away. No, just kidding. Ever so gently. See if I can pull this off. Yep, there it goes. And there we go. Wow. That looks really good. That's better than my S1. It's very clean. Look at that gasket. Surprised. That looks brand new. Well, not brand new. Next. This one's gotta go. Come on. Right steps. Can't get over how clean that is. Under the first cam cover. Wow! I'm absolutely blown away by what I see. But will the other side be just as shocking? Or is it saving some unpleasant surprise for me later? The bottom ones are shorter. I mean, the top ones are shorter. Let's see. Those are exactly the same. This one's got two. Huh. Look at these two. Same. And these. Same. Okay. Came right off. Let's see what we got here. That doesn't look too bad either. Cool. Up next, the intake manifold and its tag-along carburetors. Finally, something easy. It's like the car is throwing me a tiny bone after all that effort. There's a little bit of water in there.
Alright, that's gonna bug me. Hey. There.
So removing this last camshaft is pretty straightforward, but what's underneath? That's the plot twist I did not see coming.
All right. There we go. Whoa. Oh ho ho. Look at that. That's not a good sign. Sheared a head bolt. I was just floating in there. Well, that wouldn't have worked, would it? Huh. So this was right here. Came right off. Next, the exhaust. My favorite. Here we go. Here we go. Start here. Hey, that's too easy. Yes. Too easy. Too easy. This one's nice. They're not all going to be this way. Ha. Yeah. Let the slowness begin. You know, like the other one, I'm surprised at how easy this is to pull off. I still can't get over that. What caused the head bolt to snap? And I can't remember. Is this a different system than that? Oh, this is that. You can only go so far, and then you run up against the exhaust. You can't go anymore. Yep, there we go. Until the whole exhaust comes down. I love that design. Oh wait, this is gonna be in my way. How do I get this out of my way? What is it connected to? This is in the heat shield is in my way. How do I get that off? This is where it gets tricky. Oh yeah. There's no way.
Exhaust manifold nuts. Small, but they are mighty, and they are rusted. Not as much as they could have been, but, I'll take what I can get. What you're seeing here is really barely scratching the surface of the hours that I spent working on this.
Hey, I got something. I got something. I'm doing this the wrong way. Yep, doing it the wrong way. Dang it. Come on. Not even a skosh. But I moved it. There we go. Very satisfying. This is going to take literally 3 hours. Exhaust bolts. I love you. Yes. Got another 1/8 of a turn. Oh boy. Get in there. Turn it a little. What am I hitting? Got it. These are fun. Oh, I can almost do it with my hand. I think I got it. Yes. Whew. It's coming off with my hand. There it is. Well, that took long enough. Let's see if I can get this other one out. That's going to be hard. Oh. I think for this one, I'm going to have to come in from the other direction like I'm doing this. Like I'm doing this one. Another one. Okay. Right in there. I think it's time for
I believe there's 3. This bottom part of the exhaust to come off. Because this needs to be maneuverable so we can get these off. These butt up against the nuts. That's not a good example. Here's one. This nut right here will only go so far, then it starts to hit the bottom of this exhaust manifold. And because of that, this must be separated and come down a little bit to allow more room for this to come off. Come off of there, nut. Come off of there. Oh. Let's put that there for right now. Another one. The one that I can't get to because it's in the back and I don't want to go under the car. Let's see. Is this a car? I don't know about that. That's up for debate. All right. There, yeah, it's loose. It's loose. Ah, loose. So now I can continue to maneuver this a little bit because I'm still too tight right here. But it is better. Somebody's really holding me up and I suspect it's that guy right there. See where we're at here? Oh, so close. So another one fell. What's left? What's left? This one. And we're gonna go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Something like that. Oh my goodness gracious, that is tight. Well, head bolts are always fun, right? But these are studs, so I'm removing just the nuts. Sounds simple, but an arm workout wasn't something I was ready for. Maybe it's time to start hitting that gym a little bit and trade in these ratchets for some dumbbells. Now, see if I can pull this off. Oh, this is gonna make a mess of that. Because all that marble mystery oil. There it goes. What am I gonna find inside?
Okay, wait, you're stuck.
Am I stuck on something?
What's your
Oh, thank you. There's the exhaust.
Straight up. Straight up. Wiggle, wiggle, straight. Yeah.
Got it. Wow. Okay, down here on a flat surface. Here we go. Wow. Okay, that needs to go back on the... Look at that crud in there. Okay, let me get the camera. I'm going to show this. Woohoo!
What type of crud do you think that is?
Oh no. Wow, what is that?
I'd clean it up, put ATF in it.
Yep, we're gonna clean this up. What is all that stuff though? Wow. There it is.
Wow.
Huh. Let's clean this up. See what it looks like. don't know what that stuff is. Interesting. So there you have it. It could use a lot more cleaning, but yeah, that doesn't look so great.
Yep, the engine is definitely seized. And this right here, the prime suspect, a piston rusted solid in its sleeve.
And that's going to do it for this video, you guys. Thanks for sticking around. If you made it up into this point, I really appreciate it. And I super appreciate those that are liking and subscribing and commenting. It's awesome. I'm trying to get around to getting back to each and every one of you. And yeah, some of the things that I'm doing are kind of goofy and probably not appropriate, but I'm learning. If you haven't figured it out already, this is the last video for the S2. For now. Because I want to get back to the S1 because I want to drive the thing. So the plan is to get it up and running. We'll see how that goes. And then, yes, we're going to come back to this. Budget. If the budget allows, we're going to come back to this. Let's put it that way. Thanks again. See you next time. Bet you had a great day today. It's kind of cold out here. See ya.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thanks for freezing your butt off out there. I'm going in.